go again.
So, I mean, essentially what you're doing is you're shifting, so like regularly shifting, right? So you clutch, shift, and then you're getting back into it as you're letting out the clutch, right? So here what you're doing is you're essentially, so think about whenever you're racing or doing something fast. So you're riding, and then you shift, and you get right back into it, right? So essentially you're doing that without the clutch hand. So fast, 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 all the way out of it, and in that same moment you're shifting back into it. Okay, so like brum, brum, brum. You know what I'm saying? It's not hard, but you know, it's just you kind of figure out how to do it. I don't know, I learned how to do it early because Houston traffic's terrible, and if you constantly using your clutch hand, you're gonna develop arthritis, you know what I'm saying? So I was like, there's got to be a better way. And I think I did it on accident the first time I did it because I wasn't using my clutch hand properly. Like I said, a lot of people think they are. They're not. They're bump shifting. They think they're shifting with their clutch, but their coordination is not as down as they think it is. You know what I'm saying? That's how I was. So it takes a little bit. You know, you get it. You learn. You just got to play around with it a little bit. But don't do nothing crazy at first. Like, don't just go out and be like, okay, I think I got it, and go fucking like pin it balls to the walls, blow your motor because you got stuck between gears or some shit. I don't know if that happened. Probably break a transmission fork or some shit, but wouldn't want that to happen either. So, you know, I need to wash this bike like tomorrow because it's raining today. Yeah. I don't know. Let me know if that was helpful or not. If it wasn't, I'll try to go a little more in depth into it. I can try to figure out the scientific shit and explain that to y'all if that's what y'all want. Because I know, like, when I went through my MSF and they were telling me the whole push left to go left, push right to go right, that did not compute in my head. I could not understand what they were trying to tell me to do. But the second that I did it and I realized the bike is trying to fall over, I'm just preventing it from falling over by straightening out the bars. I was like, oh, science, physics, duh, I get it now, shit. But push left to go left, push right to go right did not register to me. But, you know, fighting the bikes wanting to fall over, that made sense to me. So yeah, I don't know, let me know what y'all want to see. Don't forget to like the video if it was helpful at all, or you enjoyed it, because you know I'm got crackhead injuries sometimes. I don't know, I get on the bike and I get bored and all hyper and shit, and you know, most of the time I ain't got nobody to ride with, or I do, but they don't talk. We ain't got comms like that. I don't have comms like that. I just have Bluetooth. I don't give a fuck about talking to people. What am I talking about? I like to talk to myself. Yep. And on that note, ladies and gentlemen, I appreciate y'all watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Subscribe, leave a comment if you would like. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.